Your washer jar hoses often become dried or cracked over time. This can easily lead to dysfunction of your windshield washer. When it's time to replace, we won't disappoint you. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 to 72 GM A-body windshield washer hose and filter kits. The kits include the reproduction hoses, filter, and straps for installation. These are produced to OEM specifications. The hoses and straps are carefully manufactured with injection molded rubber, while the filter is made from ABS plastic and features the correct mesh screen, just like the originals. Simply swap out your old hoses for a quick installation out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.